Crypto Underground is back with another episode. Welcome everyone. We're gonna have a look into Bitcoin and where of course we are heading to, guys, because we are seeing a little rejection here right at our main resistance at $112,000. We're gonna have a look into major indicators why Bitcoin is most likely going to new all-time highs in the not so distant future, and of course also why we could be seeing, of course, altcoins and meme coins exploding like crazy. And therefore I want to cover today the best Pepe themed meme coins to buy right now. If you want to invest into those coins, guys, you're gonna find all links in the video description to all those coins that we're gonna cover today, because it is very important that you're buying those coins on the official website and not randomly Google them, because very often you end up in copy coins websites, that means on scammers websites. So make sure to be on the official ones, especially for Mind of Pepe that is extremely hyped right now, and also Pepe Influencer that is currently just getting started. Alright, so welcome everyone on board, guys. We have a nice crypto family here with 19 subscribers. Thank you very much. Our nice little community is growing every day. Make sure to be subscribed on this Crypto Underground club here. It is completely for free. And of course, today we are again celebrating that we have such a great coin like Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the king. We want to take all our gains into Bitcoin, of course. And meanwhile, we can invest also into new coins that are pumping nicely. Today we have a Mew, for example, similar to that old Pokemon from back in the days, guys, if you remember that, pumping today 1700%. It just launched today, and here on Maxi Global you can of course trade those huge coins here that are most of the times pumping like crazy. Also this one over here had a very nice start, and as you can see, if we measure here just from the first top that we had here, if you would already be buying this coin with the first little pullback, you would have done 120% price increase, not to talk about here from launch until the top over 2000%, which is of course insane. And this is what you can do, of course, with those new coins that are getting listed freshly on Maxi Global and other exchanges like Bybit. If you want to buy those coins before they are getting listed, of course you need to buy them before they're coming out. The ones that are in the pre-market phase you can find here in the video description, all of them. And of course, if you want to sign up to Maxi Global or Bybit, you find also the top-notch exchanges here in the video description, guys. Use those links to get some extra deposit bonuses as well. I most of the times use Maxi Global. I just like this exchange and I don't even need to do KYC here. So perfect. On Bybit, of course, KYC is requested. Alright, guys, let's dive here straight into the Bitcoin price, because as you can see, we are getting rejected at this yellow moving average here from the Bitcoin rainbow chart. And you know how it is, when we are in this red phase up here, we should take profits, currently at around 200k. When we are down at the blue line, we should be buying as much Bitcoin as possible. And as you can see, we are still in this uptrend here, and therefore we can expect at any time Bitcoin to rally like crazy into new all-time highs, of course. The question is only, will we stop here at the purple line, currently at 143k, or at this orange line at 180k, or at this red area here above 200k? That's the only question. The fact is that Bitcoin is still in this uptrend, and therefore I think that we should expect Bitcoin to rally towards 143k next. But of course, we need those daily and weekly closes above 112k. Otherwise, this is of course very dangerous here to enter into a downtrend here in the next coming weeks and months. But I don't believe that, since also based on this rainbow wave here, we are still in an uptrend until things are again coming down again, which can take still some more weeks and months. And until then, of course, it is good to buy Bitcoin and of course also the altcoins and meme coins. That's why, as long as Bitcoin is in an uptrend and we can expect new all-time highs, it is of course good to buy into meme coins and altcoins, even though of course they are currently also correcting heavily and we are still far away from new all-time highs. And that's why right now, if I'm taking a risk to invest into new coins, I like to buy into new top-notch coins that everyone is buying right now, because with all of them you have at least a chance to achieve a 100x right at launch. Of course, not all of them will pump like crazy, maybe immediately, some of them maybe later on, or at least you have the chance that at launch they pump like crazy. They are high risk, no financial advice, but this is what I'm doing currently. And also, if we put here the global M2 money supply on top of our wave, and we go here into the indicator and squeeze it a little bit so that it fits to the Bitcoin chart, or at least to the performance of Bitcoin, you can see that we have a clear correlation. Whenever the global M2 money supply is going up, the Bitcoin price is going up. So this yellow moving average here that you can see, this is the global M2 money supply. Whenever it goes sideways, also the Bitcoin price goes sideways or down. Whenever it is having these huge rises here, as you can see also in 2024, also the Bitcoin price had its major run up. And when the money supply again was coming down, Bitcoin had its huge correction. And you can see that based on this indicator, we should be now seeing very, very often always a pump consolidation, pump consolidation, pump consolidation. Sometimes even a corrective phase, of course, is possible, but overall we should be seeing over the next coming weeks and months basically Bitcoin moving perfectly according to the global M2 money supply if we really continue now to follow the steps of the global M2 money supply. And that means that we very soon are going to see, after this consolidation here, another big leg up and finally go towards 150k and probably also towards 180k. So the global M2 money supply is still rising, and that's why I believe that also the Bitcoin price very, very soon will catch up with that. And here again on the weekly time frame, you can see this nice, let me pull that away, the global M2 money supply, the rainbow chart of Bitcoin. So you can see that perfectly. This one, if you're just trading based on that, you would know when to take profits and when to buy back into Bitcoin, of course, just based on the rainbow curves of Bitcoin. And now guys, if you want to invest into the top-notch coins, because this is why we are calling ourselves the Crypto Underground Club, we are buying into new coins with huge upside potential. Of course, they are extremely risky, but of course, if you catch the right ones, then of course you can do insane gains, even with an investment of $100, $500, whatever amount that you're willing to put into those coins. And currently, also based on different lists of the best upcoming coins to buy right now, we have of course Solexi ranked #1, guys. Don't miss out on this one. It is launching in 21 days. At least the pre-market phase is going to end in 21 days. You can easily buy it with credit card or also with your cryptos. Just connect the wallet that you want, Coinbase, MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Best Wallet, and you can immediately buy into this coin. Remember to buy without staking, because otherwise you're going to have a 7 days locker period at launch. This one is coming out on exchanges very, very soon, probably also Maxi Global. So prepare with a nice account here on Maxi Global to be ready for the drop basically. Then we have also, this is also a very good one that I'm buying, Bitcoin Bull. This is correlated to the Bitcoin price, but it's not a Pepe themed meme coin. Pepe themed is also this Mind of Pepe, also very good to buy, a new AI agent. And here, as you can see, last chance to buy because it is ending in 5 days. We're gonna have the end in 5 days, but that doesn't mean that the pre-market, the coin will launch immediately. So the pre-market phase is ending in 5 days, and then we have to wait for the launch. Also here, extremely cheap price. Hopefully all this is gonna pump like crazy. Solexi we have covered. Then we have also Influencer Pepe. This first Web3 meme token is basically a completely new coin aiming to get this 25 billion influencer economy, because this is going to be a completely new Pepe themed meme coin that has also a utility case, and it's basically built up for influencers. And why I'm buying into this high risk coin? Very easy and simple, guys. 4,600% API, guys. That means that here, if you're buying with this high API, in a few days you're gonna have much more coins than you're purchasing. And if this one is coming out at least at the same price, basically nothing, as you can see here, then you can do easily some gains here because you're buying in very early with 4,600% API. Then not to forget about Pepeto, guys. Pepeto is since quite some time around, and here also they raised 5.2 millions. This is insane. This could be also, of course, one of the next biggest pre-market coins to buy. You can see that Solexi is the biggest one with over 40 million. So here the hype is very big, and Pepeto with 5.2 millions is also not too bad in my opinion. And you can also buy it at basically nothing. So you can buy millions of those coins, and also thanks to almost 300% staking rewards, you can accumulate here a lot of free coins. Alright guys, that's it for now. Those are the coins that currently I am buying in, especially those new Pepe themed meme coins, because they could be the next Pepe that will explode like crazy. Of course, high risk but high returns if they're going to come out during this parabolic bull run of Bitcoin that in my opinion is about to start. Alright, thank you for watching. Crypto Underground over for now guys. Stay tuned, be subscribed. Let's grow up this Crypto Underground club guys to 20 subscribers, one more, and we have reached 20. Would be great, of course, to make my day. So make sure to be subscribed. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned, and we're gonna see us all in the next one.